Are you aiming to build muscle, burn fat, or supercharge your metabolism, but worried about the cost of high-protein foods? You're not alone. With rising grocery prices, traditional protein sources like beef, pork, and chicken can put a dent in your wallet. But don't let a tight budget stand in the way of your health and fitness goals. There's an abundance of affordable, nutrient-dense, and protein-packed foods waiting to be discovered. In this guide, we'll walk you through 20 of the best cost-effective protein options that will not only help you hit your daily protein targets, but also nourish your body with essential nutrients. Stick around because the last few options might surprise you. Why protein matters. Protein is the building block of life. It's vital for muscle growth, repair, fat loss, and overall metabolic health. Incorporating sufficient protein into your diet can improve satiety. Protein keeps you full longer, helping with weight management. Support muscle recovery, perfect for fitness enthusiasts and athletes. Boost metabolism. Protein digestion burns more calories compared to fats or carbs. Enhance overall health. Protein-rich foods are often packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Affordable protein powerhouses. 1. Sardines, the mighty little fish. Sardines are a small yet mighty protein powerhouse. They are rich in vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and provide a complete source of protein. Despite their small size, sardines pack a punch when it comes to nutritional value. These fish are extremely affordable, especially when compared to other sources of seafood, and are virtually free from harmful mercury. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them in salads, on toast, or even topped with fresh lemon juice for an added zing. 2. Plain Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is a popular choice for health-conscious individuals due to its high protein content, low sugar, and versatility. It is an excellent source of calcium, probiotics, and other essential nutrients. Whether you enjoy it plain, as part of smoothies, or paired with fruits and honey, Greek yogurt is a simple yet effective way to boost your protein intake. It also makes for a great post-workout snack to help with muscle recovery. Want an easy grab-and-go option? Try packing a cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of granola or nuts for a protein-packed snack. 3. Whole almonds, a plant-based protein snack. Almonds are a fantastic plant-based protein source that offers more than just muscle-building benefits. In addition to being rich in protein, they are loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent option for those looking to improve their overall health. Almonds are also known for their fat-burning potential, which makes them an ideal snack to fuel your workout or curb hunger between meals. Toss a handful into your smoothies or enjoy them on their own for a satisfying, nutritious treat. 4. Whey protein powder, the gold standard for protein supplement. Whey protein is one of the most well-known protein powders in the world. It is derived from milk and is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Whey protein is not only affordable, but also a highly concentrated source of protein, making it a great choice for anyone looking to increase their daily protein intake. It's low in fat and calories, and when added to smoothies, shakes, or baked goods, it delivers a muscle-building punch. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to boost your protein intake, whey protein is a reliable and cost-effective option. 5. Cottage cheese, the healthy man's ice cream. Cottage cheese is often referred to as the healthy man's ice cream due to its rich, creamy texture and impressive nutritional profile. It's a slow-digesting protein, making it a great choice to eat before bedtime as it helps stave off hunger overnight. Packed with casein protein, calcium, and B vitamins, cottage cheese supports muscle growth, bone health, and immune function. You can enjoy it on its own, pair it with fruits, or even mix it into savory dishes like salads or dips. 6. Oats, a classic, affordable protein source. Oats are a breakfast staple in many households for a reason. Not only are they delicious and filling, but they also provide a good amount of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Oats are an excellent choice for those looking to maintain energy levels throughout the day. You can enjoy them as oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an ingredient in baked goods. By choosing bulk rolled oats, you can save money while getting all the health benefits of this nutritious grain. 7. Hemp seeds, a complete vegan protein. Hemp seeds are a complete plant-based protein, which means they contain all 9 essential amino acids required by the body. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and are a great addition to a variety of dishes. Sprinkle them on your morning oats, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into yogurt for an easy way to boost your protein intake. If you prefer, you can also opt for hemp protein powder, a great alternative to animal-based proteins. 8. Quinoa, the nutrient-dense supergrain. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood because of its high protein content, especially for a grain. It is also a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa is not only rich in protein, but also packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, and other important vitamins and minerals. You can use quinoa as a base for salads, add it to soups, or cook it as a substitute for rice in many dishes. It's a versatile, budget-friendly protein that works well in almost any meal. 9. Sunflower seeds, a simple, affordable protein snack. Sunflower seeds are another great budget-friendly protein source. Not only are they rich in protein, but they also contain healthy fats and antioxidants, which support overall health. They're a great snack to munch on between meals or to sprinkle over salads, cereals, or smoothies. Sunflower seeds are also easy to store, making them a convenient option to keep on hand whenever hunger strikes. 10. Amaranth, a hidden gem in the grain world. Amaranth is a gluten-free grain that is often overlooked but deserves a place in your pantry. It's packed with protein and is a great alternative to other grains. Amaranth is high in fiber, magnesium, iron, and manganese, making it a powerhouse of nutrients. It can be cooked like rice or quinoa, and it works well in savory dishes like pilafs or stews, as well as in sweet dishes such as puddings. If you're looking for a protein-packed, gluten-free grain to add to your diet, amaranth is a great option. 11. While fresh wild-caught salmon can be expensive, canned salmon offers an affordable alternative without sacrificing nutritional value. Canned salmon is packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including B12 and vitamin D. It's a convenient shelf-stable option that's perfect for quick meals, such as salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. With its rich nutrient profile and budget-friendly price, canned salmon is a fantastic way to boost your protein intake. 12. Ground turkey, a lean protein-packed alternative. Ground turkey is a cost-effective and lean protein option that works well in a variety of dishes. It's lower in fat and calories compared to ground beef, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Ground turkey is versatile and can be used in everything from tacos and meatballs to soups and casseroles. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to incorporate more protein into your meals without breaking the bank. 13. Lentils, a plant-based protein powerhouse. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and are incredibly affordable. They're also high in fiber, iron, and folate, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Lentils come in various types, including green, brown, and red, and they can be cooked in a variety of ways. You can enjoy lentils in soups, stews, salads, or even in veggie burgers. They're a great addition to any meal and a perfect choice for vegetarians or vegans looking to boost their protein intake. 14. Eggs have long been considered a go-to source of affordable protein. Packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, eggs provide a well-rounded nutritional profile. They're an incredibly versatile food that can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into omelets. Whether eaten on their own or added to dishes like salads or sandwiches, eggs are a cost-effective protein option that shouldn't be overlooked. 15. Chickpeas are high-protein legume. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a fantastic source of protein and fiber. They're incredibly affordable and can be used in a variety of dishes. You can enjoy chickpeas in salads, soups, stews, or even roasted as a crunchy snack. They're also the base for making hummus, a delicious and healthy dip. Whether you buy them canned or dried, chickpeas are a great way to add protein to your diet without spending too much. 16. Tofu, the protein-packed plant alternative. Tofu is a popular protein source in vegetarian and vegan diets. Made from soybeans, tofu is a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's low in calories and can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. Tofu can be grilled, stir-fried, baked, or blended into smoothies for a protein boost. It's a versatile, budget-friendly option that can be flavored in countless ways, making it an excellent choice for those looking for plant-based protein. 17. Peanut butter, the nutty protein snack. Peanut butter is a classic snack that's rich in protein and healthy fats. It's a delicious spread for toast, a dip for fruits and vegetables, or an addition to smoothies. Just make sure to choose natural peanut butter without added sugars or unhealthy fats. Peanut butter is a budget-friendly, nutrient-dense food that can keep you full and satisfied throughout the day. 18. Cottage cheese, the versatile protein snack. Cottage cheese deserves a mention again for its versatility and protein-packed content. It's a great addition to savory meals like salads, baked dishes, or served with fruits for a sweet snack. Cottage cheese is a slow-digesting protein, making it an excellent option for maintaining muscle mass throughout the day. 19. Edamame, a delicious protein snack. Edamame, or young soybeans, are an excellent plant-based source of protein. They're high in fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients. Whether boiled, roasted, or added to stir-fries, edamame is a nutritious and affordable way to add protein to your diet. You can find them fresh or frozen, and they make for an easy, satisfying snack. 20. Black beans are protein-packed legume. Black beans are a cost-effective protein source that's perfect for a variety of dishes. Whether used in soups, salads, or tacos, black beans provide a solid amount of protein and fiber. They're also rich in antioxidants and other essential nutrients. Canned black beans are affordable and easy to use, making them a staple in many budget-friendly meals. Affordable protein options for every budget. Staying healthy and building muscle doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With these budget-friendly, high-protein foods, you can easily meet your nutritional needs without overspending. From plant-based options like lentils and quinoa to affordable animal proteins like sardines and ground turkey, there's no shortage of affordable protein-packed foods to choose from. By incorporating these options into your meals, you can stay healthy, energized, and on track with your fitness goals while keeping your wallet happy.